लिए चलते हैं। अश्विनी वैष्णव इस वक्त क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, जल्दी से सुन लेते हैं।
Expect that in the coming months, this number will go beyond $200 billion. That is the general expectation once we talk to the industry. That's the general expectation which is coming up. And that will generate new opportunities for our service providers, for the young startups who can provide new solutions, and it's going to create that strength which is needed in all the 5 layers of the AI architecture, AI stack. We need strength in each one of that. Many of our startups will be very keen on having more and more compute facility available in our country through these data centers so that they can use it for developing solutions and for also providing the solutions to the world. Your second part of the question was? IP for whichever company is doing their development here, they have their own policies, and according to those policies, they decide where the IP is. Mm-hmm.
Hello. Hi, sir. Ritu here from NDTV. So I have a 2 question. Allow me to ask you this. So firstly, how you were talking, while addressing as well, you mentioned about the 2 nanometer must be fabbed in India. You're looking forward to it as well. So my question to you is, sir, that how the government is linking 2 nanometer, basically the chip technology, with the India AI mission so that it directly benefits, you see, the India's AI infrastructure and the local servers manufacturers. And also adding to it, sir, how are we trying to look forward to it that this also, the technology that's getting developed here, as you said, end-to-end has been done in India. How are we looking forward to it in the defense sector as well, how that is going to benefit?
So these are more than 2 questions. So anyways, so thanks a lot. I'll try to frame it in a... So when AI data centers are getting set up in India, one direct consequence of that is now people want to start the AI server manufacturing facilities in India. Already 2 companies have come which want to in the coming months, the announcements will be made. So far we cannot announce the names, but 2 companies want to set up reasonable sized AI server manufacturing facilities in our country. That's a direct result of the data centers coming up in India. Simultaneously, the board and the card design and the entire motherboard and the other cards which go in a server, that manufacturing will also take very rapidly, because as part of the electronics component manufacturing scheme, there are units which are going to manufacture the most advanced PCBs in our country. And once the PCB manufacturing starts happening, then the PCB assembly, which goes straight into a server or a machine, that becomes a direct outcome of having the PCB manufacturing in our country. So if you look at the entire thing, it's a very step-by-step, very clearly defined, thoughtful way of going forward. On the now fabrication side, we started with 28 nanometers, very well understanding that this is very important node, because more than 75% of the chips used in automotive, telecom, power management, industrial applications, they all use 28 nanometers to 180 nanometers, that particular.
तो बेंगलुरु में रेल मंत्री की इस वक्त मौजूदगी, और वहीं पर अभी आप उनको सुन रहे थे। अब आगे